Hello, given that log 2 equals 0.3010, log 7 equals 0.8451, the question says evaluate log 112. The first thing is to express log 112 as a product of log 7 multiplied by 16. So log 7 multiplied by 16, that is 2 raised to power 4. So from our law of logarithm, this becomes log 7 plus log 2 raised to power 4, and that is log 7 equals log 7 plus 4 log 2. So let us substitute log 7, that is 0.8451 plus 4 into bracket 0.3010. So 0.8451 plus 1.204. That is the multiplication of 4 multiplied by 0.3010. By the time we add the two together, it gives us 2.0491. So thank you very much. See you next time.